What are the biggest local SEO myths? So you want to know which local SEO myths are still hurting Google business profile rankings? Let me run through the 7 we see most often in audits. Myth number 1. More reviews always mean better rankings. Actually, recency and response rate matter more than raw volume. Myth number 2. NAP must be character perfect. Google's matching is smart enough to handle street versus road automatically these days. Myth number 3. More categories mean more visibility. Your primary category does about 80% of the ranking work. Extra ones often hurt. Number 4. Backlinks rank your Google business profile. They don't. Behavioral signals do. Number 5. Service businesses should hide the address. Hiding actually eliminates proximity matching, which is your strongest signal. Number 6. Keyword stuff business names boost rankings. They violate Google's guidelines and get reported. And number 7. The Q&A section doesn't matter. It feeds Google's understanding of buyer intent and genuinely correlates with rankings. So here's a quick win for today. Check your own profile against those 7. Count how many you're victim to. How does my Google business profile actually rank? So you want to know what actually drives map pack rankings in 2026? Let me tell you the 3 behavioral signals that genuinely matter. Number 1 is click-through rate from the map pack to your profile. Profiles with strong photos, full descriptions, prominent ratings, and active posts achieve higher CTR. Higher click-through rate feeds back into better rankings. The second is engagement after the click. Direction requests, phone calls, website visits, photo views, and Q&A activity all contribute. The profile needs to drive useful action, not just impressions. The third is recency of everything. Fresh reviews, fresh photos, weekly posts, and recent Q&A answers. The algorithm reads recent activity as evidence of an active operational business. Notice what's not on this list. Backlinks, keyword stuff names, multiple categories. None of those move the needle the way you might have been told. So here's a quick win for today. Audit your profile on those 3 signals. Wherever you're weakest is your first fix. Why is my Google business profile stuck on page 2? So your Google business profile is stuck on page 2 and you've done everything the playbook said. Let me tell you what's actually going on. The most common cause is following advice that was true in 2018 but isn't anymore. There are 3 patterns we see again and again on stuck profiles. The first one is stale activity. The profile was set up nicely 2 years ago, then nobody updated it. No fresh photos, no posts, no review responses. Google reads that as inactive. The second is over-optimization that becomes counterproductive. 6 categories instead of 2. Keyword stuff business name. Hidden address for a service business. Each one of these hurts more than it helps now. The third is signal blindness. The owner is focused on backlinks and NAP audits while ignoring behavioral signals like click-through rate and engagement that actually rank profiles. So here's a quick win for today. Pick the one pattern that sounds most like your account. Address that one first. Don't try to fix everything at once. How long does it take to fix local SEO mistakes? Wondering how long the fixes actually take to show in your rankings? Here are the real numbers. Profile level changes like correcting your business name or trimming categories take effect within days to weeks. Behavioral signal changes like building new review momentum or post cadence takes around 30 to 60 days to show in rankings. Full map pack movement from a complete 7 myth audit typically lands at around 3 to 6 months. So here's the trap most owners fall into. They make all the fixes at once and then they can't tell which one moved the needle. The disciplined approach is one fix every 14 to 21 days while tracking your map pack ranking. Slower, but you actually learn what's working for your specific category. So here's a quick win for today. Set up a simple rank tracker right now. It could be a simple Google Sheets. Even a manual monthly check will do. You need a baseline before you start fixing. How do I audit my Google business profile for myth? Want to audit your own profile properly? Let me walk you through it in 4 areas. The first area is your business name. Is it your actual registered name or is it keyword stuffed with services and locations? If stuffed, change it back today. The second area is your categories. Count them. Is your primary one a precise match to your core service? Are the others highly relevant? If you got more than 3 secondary categories, you got too many. The third area is your activity signals. How fresh are your photos? When did you last publish a post? When did you last respond to a review? When did you last add to the Q&A section? Anything older than 30 days needs attention. The fourth area is your address visibility. If you're a service based hiding your address, you eliminated your strongest local signal. Show the address if possible and use service area to specify where you serve. So here's a quick win for today. Block 30 minutes this week. Go through those 4 areas. You'll find at least 2 myths costing you ranking. Hope this helps. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.